I was real skeptical about this episode. The only thing I was looking forward to
Was it drinks?
was that bad girl right there.
And you nailed that.
I did!
I mean, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Taylor.
And we're bringing you recipes to inspire you in your kitchen.
And your liquor cabinet.
Welcome back to 3-Course Meals.
Welcome back. We have a really delicious show for you today, and kind of a fun one, I think. Every one of our courses is going to be a candy theme.
I'm really excited. I'm probably most excited about my drink. So I'm going to make a candy corn cocktail. So the vodka is going to be a color of the candy corn. So I'm going to try to make the drink look like a candy corn.
You've done some creative things.
A little skeptical about yours. I really don't like either of the things that you're making. Let me backtrack. It's not that I don't like them. I haven't tried them. But I just
They're
don't
just
like
not
them.
made of your favorite things.
No.
We're going to make a believer out of her today. I am going to make candied yams, but it's not like the typical things that you have around Thanksgiving or so. It's a little bit of a twist. I think you're going to like it, Taylor. I could be wrong. I think you might.
What are you making with it?
So I'm making roasted chicken because you can't have just candied yams on this show. We got to have something to go with it. So I'm also making roasted chicken. Roasted chicken breasts. I know it's your favorite.
I was going to say, what have we established that I don't like?
Chicken breast specifically. But again, I think...
What have I never eaten on Thanksgiving?
Candied yams.
Candy yams.
I still feel confident. What are you making for dessert?
Okay, so we've already covered Halloween themes. So keeping in theme with candy, I'm going to use leftover Halloween candy in a cookie on the bottom of a cheesecake. And that just sounds so sweet when I'm saying it out loud.
To go with our candy corn
To go with our
drink
candy
and our
corn
candy
cocktail.
yams. Hey, it's our candy episode.
We've got to, yeah.
All right, let's get started.
I'm so excited.
Okay.
Okay, so earlier today, in preparation for our candy corn cocktail, I took a half a cup of candy corn and a cup of this ice cake flavored vodka. So then I mixed them, I infused it, and so I let it sit for 2 hours. So that's what we have in the shaker. So I'm gonna give it one last shake. You hear the candy corns in there? Okay, so now I'm gonna strain it into this cup. Oh my God. That is such a pretty color. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so cute.
Your work.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm getting too excited. Okay. Cream on top. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty.
This is impressive.
Look at that. Okay,
Cheers.
I feel like I just got orange juice. There's the vodka.
Did you find the vodka?
Yeah. I think I should have mixed it because that vodka was a surprise.
Ooh, there it is.
Yeah, told you. Okay, so now we're gonna try to mix it and see if we can get.
Look at
It's
that.
so pretty.
Perfect little layers.
Try to get that vodka mixed up in there.
I'm gonna lay my whipped cream on top. It does kind of like a little orange sickle.
Yes.
Do you remember those drinks? All right. Cheers.
Oh,
That's pretty good.
that does taste just like an orange sickle, like a little dreamsicle. Mixing the whipped cream in there.
Oh my gosh. Mm.
Oh my God. I'm so glad we have extra vodka because I'm going to need more than one of these.
Are we supposed to be drinking them this fast?
It's fine.
You have a ride home?
I thought I was spending the night.
Okay. Sleepover.
Oh my God, that was so good.
Mm-hmm. That's really good.
That was, oh, man.
All right, so we've got 2 very large chicken breasts, bone in, skin on. I wanted to get the largest breast I could find because I know how excited Taylor was to try this.
Can I
so
say it? What?
now let's look at what we're going to use to season this chicken. Combine all these ingredients together. Now this is going to get a little bit like a paste, but that's okay, that's what we want. What we are going to do is use this to coat both sides of the chicken and under the skin. So let's get started with this first chicken here. You want to make sure that you pull that skin back a little bit and tuck some under there.
Why would you not cut the skin off?
And then we're going to
Why do you want the skin on there?
If you don't want skin, you can absolutely remove it. That is fine. I usually don't like skin, but for this recipe, it's so flavorful and crispy. I really like it on there.
So it just adds to the crisp.
All right, so to cook this, we are going to cook it with breast side down. Give them a little space between them. We're going to cover it loosely with some foil, and we're going to put this in the bottom rack of the oven for about 20 minutes. All right, so now that it's been 20 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken. So I'm going to try to do this here in the oven. I don't recommend that. Take the time to put it on the stove. But here I go. So I'm going to grab a couple of forks and flip it over. Carefully. Don't make me laugh right now, Taylor. All right. Get this turned over. Okay. Perfect. So now we're going to put this back in the oven and we're going to cook it for about another 30 minutes uncovered. All right. So now we're going to check the temperature. It should be between 160 and 170 when you measure the thickest part of the chicken. All right, 168. Let's take this out. We're going to peel a medium-sized sweet potato and slice it into about a 1/4 inch thick slices. All right, over a medium-high heat, we're going to add about a tablespoon to our pan. When it gets hot, we're going to add in our potatoes. And we're going to try to put them into a single layer just so that they cook more evenly. After about somewhere between 3 and 5 minutes, when they start to get brown, we're going to flip them over and cook them on the other side for a couple of minutes. Add to the pan a 1/2 cup of water, a tablespoon of butter, a dash of salt, and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Now you want to mix that in and get it well combined. And then we're going to cover it and leave it over medium heat while the potatoes cook the rest of the way. In a separate skillet, we're going to add a tablespoon of oil and about a 1/4 cup of chopped pecans and a dash of salt. We're going to continue to mix those pecans and get them roasted. All right, our last step here is to add a tablespoon of butter and then those toasted pecans. Mix them up, get them all nice and combined. Add a dash of salt, and then it's time to serve. All right, let's try this chicken.
I'm so excited to try this chicken. And I don't like chicken.
And also, we're here because of the candied yams.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
really what we're
that's-
supposed to be
that's the
trying.
thing.
But we've been smelling the chicken. This house smells amazing.
I know. Oh my God. And those roasted pecans. And again, I don't even like pecans, but like
Just smelling
they
them.
smell so good.
All right,
I'm so excited. Okay.
which one do you want to try first? All right, I'm gonna try some of these yams
Okay.
first.
Cheers.
I know.
Oh my God.
They're really good.
Oh my God.
They're really, really good. I mean, really, really easy to make.
I mean, really, really good though.
Yeah.
This is going to be our new Thanksgiving yams. Man, that is really good.
I'm so glad you like it.
Okay.
Oh.
We have another thing to try.
Moving on.
Okay. It's really juicy too. Cheers. How does it taste better than the house smells?
Right. I can't
Like,
put it into words.
that skin is so crispy.
Yeah. The flavor.
The
flavor
like,
goes,
the meat is still so juicy.
yeah. And the flavor just goes all the way
What,
through.
how did you, what is this sorcery?
Mhm.
How'd you do both?
And she doesn't even like chicken breast.
Or yams. Or pecans. I was real skeptical about this episode. The only thing I was looking forward to
Was it drinks?
was that bad girl right there.
And you nailed that.
I did.
I mean, look, I'm not ranking our shows,
it's okay.
but this one might be the best.
I mean, I think that's definitely my favorite. No, I can't say that's my favorite drink because the Bailey's one was the zombie shot. You didn't like it?
I'm going to insert a clip of your reaction here.
Ooh.
Gross.
Okay, because it got chunky, but it still tasted good. This is probably still chunky too, but I'm still going to drink it. Watch me.
The chicken came together very quickly. The yams came together
It
quickly.
did, yeah. Both of those were really fast.
All right, let's go try that cheesecake.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah, put this down. No time for this. Cheesecake.
All right, let's do this. You know what I need to invest in?
What's that?
Like a candy slap chop.
Slap.
Yeah, like the slap chop guy, you're gonna love my nuts.
Oh my gosh.
Like
For
a slap
candy?
chop for candy.
Okay, Taylor. Okay.
I mean, think about all the times that we have sat here unwrapping the candy and then having to cut it.
Yeah.
Like, I'm honestly disappointed with myself at how slowly I unwrap candy.
Okay, here. I think you need to get like a cup and a half. I can't remember.
Mom, did you learn nothing from our Halloween episode?
What's that?
You measure candy with your heart. Okay, so the dough is pretty much ready to bake, but I'm just gonna put it in the fridge until I'm done making the cheesecake mix, and then we can put it all together and then put it in the oven. It's just so creamy. There's no lumps. I've never had a lumpless cheesecake.
Yeah, that's the magic. That's a magic of the KitchenAid.
And my elbow's not killing me. Okay, so it's been about an hour. We let it cool on the stove for about an hour. You can tell that it's starting to pull away from the pan and it's starting to shrink down a little bit because it was really puffy when we pulled it out of the oven. So now we're just going to put it in the fridge and let it finish cooling.
All right, well, that was a long process, but we made it.
And I think it's going to be worth it. It
so.
smells so good. I can't stand it.
So it cooled for about 2 hours, and then we put it in the refrigerator for another couple of hours. But I say let's dig in. You ready? I'm going to let you do the honors.
Pop that thing. Oh, okay.
Wow.
So I'm just going to say I don't think I've ever baked a cheesecake.
I haven't either. This is our first time.
I've always done like the no bake recipe. So I'm really, really excited. And it looks so, oh, the cookie. Oh, I
forgot about the cookie.
I cannot wait.
All right. Do you want to get in? Or
No, I want to do it.
Okay, yeah. You earned this. Oh my gosh. This smell.
It's so sweet. Like the sugar, I'm not going to be able. Okay. I did not expect to struggle this hard. Okay, so the smell of the cookie base with the candy in it, with the vanilla of the cheesecake, with the sugar in that, like, I can't. Do I have to wait for you?
Yes, you do.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, that cookie's hard to cut through.
That's what I was saying. Okay.
All right. This is our first real cheesecake we've ever made.
Yeah. Let me scooch this over. Okay. Make sure you get some cookie in there.
Yeah, I want to get cookie.
Cheers.
You nailed it. Oh, Taylor, it's so good.
Why are you shocked?
I'm not shocked. I'm proud. I'm so proud. Wow. This is good. It's
when
so
I got
creamy.
some Snickers in my cookie.
It's so creamy.
You got like peanut butter.
A little bit of all.
All
the different candies.
That's the thing, though.
You have to see that cookie crust or candy. Cookie candy crust. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I'm not ready to be done.
You can take the rest home with you. Definitely try it.
So the candy corn cocktail from Tasty, the candy cookie bottom cheesecake from Tasty.
You're a tasty girl. All in all, I think it was a very delicious show.
Definitely. All of it. I would give it 10 out of 10.
All right, well, I hope that you try some of these recipes. If you do, be sure and leave us a comment below and let us know what you think. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks.
The candied yams with the roasted chicken. You want some too? Hmm? As good as it's gonna get.